Hi, my name is Felipe Crook from Realty One Group in Las Vegas, Nevada, and I wanted to do a little quick video for my investors out there and talk about 1031 exchanges. So what is a 1031 exchange? Basically, when you own an investment property or vacant land and you want to sell the property, you're going to have to pay taxes on the gains that you made from the sale. Now, there is an option where you can defer your taxes at a later date, and that is through the process of a 1031 exchange. Now, this is not tax-free, it's just deferring your taxes. So there are certain rules that you have to abide by in a 1031 exchange. The first one is the properties must be of like kind. So that basically means that if you're selling an investment property, you must purchase an investment property. Now, it doesn't matter what the class of the property is. So you could purchase an investment property and then sell an investment property and then actually purchase land. That would qualify as a 1031 exchange. Now, rule number 2, you have to identify the property or properties within 45 days of the sale to a qualified intermediary. I'll talk a little bit more about qualified intermediaries in just a moment, but you have to identify what you're going to be purchasing in writing, signed by you within 45 days to a qualified intermediary. Attorneys, real estate brokers, accountants do not qualify as a intermediary. Rule number 3, you have 180 days from the date of sale in order to purchase your new property. If you do not purchase those property or properties within 180 days, you will have penalties and other consequences. Rule number 4, you have to use a qualified intermediary. As I said before, real estate attorneys, real estate brokers, accountants do not count as a qualified intermediary. I have referrals for qualified intermediaries. If you like, I'd be happy to provide those to you as well. Rule number 5, the titles must match. So if you sold the property and you held the title in John Doe's name, then you have to purchase the property in John Doe's name. You can't add another person to title or take title as an LLC. It has to be the exact same person who's on title selling who's going to be purchasing it. And number 6, this is an important one. You have to the sales price of the new properties have to be the same or greater. So you have to invest all of the proceeds from your sale into one or more properties of equal or greater value. Otherwise, you would be disqualified from the exchange. Now, that's a lot of information. If you have more specific questions, you can reach out to me. Anything to do with taxes, I would obviously refer you to a tax attorney or an accountant because they're a tax professional. I am not. But this is the basic gist of a 1031 exchange. So if you ever want to defer some of your taxes and not have to pay the gains immediately, these are the minimum rules that you will need to do for a 1031 exchange. I've done a lot of these in the past. I would be more than happy to help you with your 1031 exchange. My phone number is 1-866-589-1646, or you can visit my website at lvmodernhomes.com. Thanks. Have a great day.